about a very important topic. I'm going to talk about World Water Day. Every year on 22nd of March, we celebrate World Water Day. This was first started in the year 1993. United Nations started this World Water Day first. Let me tell you some interesting facts about World Water Day. Water is very important for us. We use water in many ways. We use water in drinking, cooking, bathing, etc. We use water for swimming and for boating. Simply without water, we just cannot live. I heard an invention called water capsules. Let me tell you how to use them. We should take one capsule, put it in our mouth, we should chew. These water capsules are edible, so no plastic usage. Now, when we bring water from the lorries, the water spills all over the road. Half of the water will spill in the road and only half the water will be in the tank. So, when we keep water capsules in the tank, it will not fall down. And then we will stop using plastic. Plastic usage will reduce. So, this is a super duper invention for all of us. 98.43% is full of seawater, and the earth has 71% of water, and 2.63% in this 2.63%, this 63% is frozen ice, which is in Antarctica, like that in poles, and the rest 2% water only we are using for drinking, bathing, for these usage. So in 2050, we will have no water. We will have water scarcity. Now in our Chennai city itself, we have water scarcity. Think about the next generation. What will they do? Let me tell you some facts about water. You can take bath in just half bucket. Half bucket is enough for taking bath. When you open a kitchen tap and if it starts spilling, I saw a video when a tap was leaking, and then next day the whole house was full of water. Most of the houses now have RO water. The wastewater from the RO can be used for other purposes in houses, like watering a beautiful garden. So collect them and store it. I'll give you another idea to save water. You have a beautiful garden. the water from the AC falls down. You can collect it with a bucket and you can pour it in the pots. So when you do like this also, you can save water. Save water, save life.